can show you a little trick to that, okay?
Alright.
All right, lift your boom back up a little bit.
Okay.
Curl your bucket out a little bit. All right, bring your left stick in.
Got it.
All right, let your thumb down. And then kind of curl it when you get it. Curl it when you grab it. All right, just go straight up on it. You don't have to curl it in no more, just go straight up.
Now, if I wanted to let this out.
All right, so look, all right, but hold up. Hold the thumb in,
Okay.
hold on that button, and push that out. Now keep the thumb down.
Alright.
Now push out on the left stick.
Got it.
All right. Now you can only go so far out before that thumb is gonna fall. Release it, because the bucket of this, it can only go so close, so far out. The thumb can only go so far up anyway.
Got it.
All right.